on grounds of anticipated violence, to set the stage to postpone the general election next year on the same grounds. Because what the state is doing this weekend, that's why police officers are there in plain clothes. They want to cause violence, they want to cause mayhem, and then the con on Monday can postpone the by-election. I want to tell the IBC, if you postpone this by-election, you have lost credibility completely. You will never recover. And you will have no more authority to tell the people of Kenya that they can trust you to conduct the general election. I am persuaded, and I think I'm right. This is a scheme by William Ruto, knowing he's in trouble from Kenya and he'll be voted out next year, to use Ol Kalou by-election as a precedence where they postpone the by-election on account of perceived unanticipated violence, and then next year the government can cause violence across the whole country, and then the IBC commissioners can say, just like we did in Ol Kalou, we are postponing the general election, and then William Ruto can continue being in office.